So this shim stock, we're gonna check. Let's start with this. Start with this. From occlusion. So this is the metal occlusion design for John with a heavy grinder. All right, so let's put them on. Okay, those are the 5 abutments. So we're gonna fixate it. You can see the retention with all this abutment is about 5 to 2 to 4 degree. That's it. It's stable. Okay, and bite down for me. Okay, now we're gonna check the bite. So we're gonna check with this 12 micron. Okay, bite down for me. Okay, touch, open. Bite again for me. Touch, open. Bite again for me. Touch, open. Bite down for me. Yeah. So shim stock from. Bite again for me. Okay. Open. Bite down. Hear the sound. Light touch. Open. Bite again. Touch. Open. Bite again for me. Touch. Open. Bite down. Touch. Open. Bite again for me. Touch. Okay. So those are shim stock. Okay. Bite down for me. Okay, grind your teeth left, right. Yes, yes, yes. Slowly, slowly. To the right first. To the right more. Okay. Clean and guidance. Right to other side. To other side. To this side. More. 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 Okay. Let me double check the clean and guidance here. Open. Bite down for me. Right to the left side. Up to this side. Yes. More. 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 Open. Let me see. Yeah, it's clean and guidance. Yeah. So it looks like a good function. But you see here, if you check my mirror, you can see it. It's actually clean and guidance. See that? Okay, good. Very good. Great. So now I'm going to show you how tight it is, even without any cement. You have to really wiggle it out. That's from 5 abutments being so parallel to each other. Okay. Okie dokie.